Okay, so we've got a 2018 model Lexus RX350 Luxury Edition in an automatic wagon, 3.5 litre. Beautiful in red. Got the reverse sensors there, reverse camera. Nice set of alloy wheels. Beautiful Duco, nice shine on that. Got the front sensors there as well. It also has the electric sunroof. Eyesight technology. I mean, the list is going to be endless on this car. It's pretty much got everything, including cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, lane departure warning, anti-collision, 27,000 Ks, big heads-up screen there as well, dual zone climate air, automatic transmission. There's your four-wheel drive options and sports modes. Electric seats, but the driver's seat is like new, as is the front passenger. There's your logbooks there as well, 2 keys. There's your back seat there. Just quickly show you inside the boot. Oh, automatic power tailgate. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.